Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that Meghalaya will be hosting the Northeast Olympic Games 2022 after a long gap. The Northeast Olympic Games will be held between November 10th to 16th. Talking to reporters, Sangma said that this will be the second time that the state will be holding this game. According to the Chief Minister, the Northeast has a large number of athletes who are longing for this kind of sporting event. Admitting that it is a big challenge for the state to be able to host this event, he informed that there are over 3,000 athletes who will be taking part in this mega sports extravaganza.
The Northeast has a large number of athletes and sports persons who are longing for this kind of an opportunity and this kind of games to happen. So hence we decided that Meghalaya will host the Northeast Olympics, and it was a big challenge because a lot of arrangements had to be made. But after doing all of this, finally we are here to witness the games taking place, and today we saw the football match taking place, and it was very exciting, of course, and we really look forward to the next few days where we will see other disciplines and other games happening.
The